Let's welcome our next pitch contestant.
Hi, I'm Jenny Filbey, CEO of Mazen Animal Health, and we are game-changing animal disease prevention by creating vaccines in corn seed. Let me tell you more about it. Animal diseases cause huge losses, impacting protein supply and the environment. For example, last year, the world lost a quarter of its pigs to one virus. The need for better animal disease prevention is real. Current cold chain injectable vaccines, which make up a $10 billion market, require vaccine crews to travel from farm to farm, handling each animal, creating biosecurity and other safety risks. Mazen is focused on changing how vaccines are developed and delivered, offering a positive return on investment for animal producers, as well as reducing antibiotic use, aligning with consumer preference. Regulated by the USDA, we produce recombinant antigens in corn, creating room temperature stable vaccines, supplying them directly to the animal producers to incorporate into their existing global supply chains and feed systems, and all at an attractive margin to us. Our team delivers. We have a leading expert in protein production in corn. Our commercial advisor has led global farm animal business units for world-leading animal health companies, and we've met our milestones. We have a lead swine vaccine in development with a robust pipeline behind that, supported by a strong IP portfolio of issued and pending patents. Our oral swine vaccine candidate compares directly to the commercial injectable, which has enabled collaborations both with a world-leading swine producer and top animal health companies. Our first product will launch in 2022, and we project profitability in 2024. Mazen's vaccine platform addresses the growing issues around disease prevention and antibiotic elimination, not only for swine, our first focus area, but also poultry, aquaculture, and beyond. For rapid sales uptick at launch, we are seeking industry collaborators for trial and utilization of our portfolio products, as well as additional product collaborations. In 2021, we'll be raising a Series A and seeking investors who can provide support, building our network, growing our team, interfacing with additional future customers, the type of support we see at FoodBytes. So I invite you to join us in enabling healthier protein to feed our planet. Thank you very much.
Fantastic. Thank you, Jenny. Let's hand it over to you and Vivek for some Q&A.
So Jenny, congratulations on being selected into the top 15 finalists for the FoodBytes event. The question that I really had for you was around your commercialization strategy and whether you plan to distribute your products in-house versus partner with a strategic player, or take an asset-light approach in licensing your technology, or all of the above. So if you could add more color on that, I think that would be helpful.
Oh, sure. Our goal is to get our products on market on a global scale to offer the value propositions to as many producers as possible. So we have several commercialization options depending upon the target species for the product and the geography. So ex-US, we'll be partnering. In the United States, we've already kicked off a key account strategy in the focused swine and poultry industries. Other sectors like edible companion animal vaccines will be seeking commercialization partners. So we're open to partnering and already have established relationships.
Excellent. And then are you able to speak to any collaborations that you've already undertaken with industrial players or partners as you've developed this technology? And would animal health, the big animal health companies, do they look at you as a partner or as a competitor?
Great. No, certainly can speak to that. So we already have a collaboration with a major swine producer for trialing our first swine vaccine. And we're implementing this strategy of early trial and utilization during the development to ensure we're fitting into our customers' needs and systems. We also have established collaborations with top global animal health companies. So we are working with them, both within our pipeline as well as company-specific products. So we welcome additional opportunities to collaborate and really help expand animal health companies, the vaccine offerings that are potentially limiting today with only injectable.
And finally, are you able to flesh out further the value proposition that you provide to the food producers, that's the farmers, as well as the consumers, and how your product kind of ranks alongside some of the competition that's out there?
Sure. So orally delivered vaccines offer many advantages and value props that injectables do not. We are more cost effective, eliminating that threshold decision on whether or not to vaccinate, room temperature stable, eliminating the dreaded cold chain, safe to deliver, getting rid of the vaccine crews, and the efficacy decreases losses, increases return on investment, and for the consumer has a great positive impact on the environment, as well as eliminating antibiotics from the food chain.